Welcome back. It's now time for your Midday Sports. 8 matches will be contested today in the Issa Manning Cup. A doubleheader is set to take place at Stadium East as former champions Kingston College will do battle with Campbell College, while Haile Selassie face 2022 Walker Cup winners at Tivoli Gardens. There will also be another doubleheader at the Ashenheim Stadium as Mona High play Jonathan Grant and the defending champions Jamaica College oppose Eltham. Many-time champions St George's College will play St Jago at Winchester Park. Stats face Kingston Technical, while Woolmer's boys will battle St Catherine High. Meanwhile, there will be 7 games in the Issa da Costa Cup. BB Coke will play Manchester High, while defending champions Clarendon College are set to play away to Stets in a doubleheader at Stets. Jarrett Park will be the venue for former champions Cornwall College versus Mile Gully. William Knibb will play McGrath at Drax Hall. Christiana will battle Dinthill at Brooks Park. Garvin Massey will take on Froome Technical at Fogar Road, while Glenmuir host Port Antonio High. Cavalier are through to the final of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup following a 0-0 draw in their return leg fixture against Harbourview at Sabina Park on Tuesday. Despite the stalemate, Cavalier won 5-0 on aggregate after their 5-star performance over the Stars of the East in the first leg last week. Cavalier's opponent will be either Mocha FC of the Dominican Republic or Robin Hood of Suriname, who will face off in the other second leg semi-final match in Suriname on Thursday. Mocha lead that tie 1-0. The legal team of West Indies batsman John Campbell has expressed disappointment at the 2-month delay in the handing down of the decision from the Court of Arbitration for Sport CAS into his appeal against a 4-year anti-doping ban. But Campbell's lead attorney, Ayanna Thomas, says they still have confidence in the sport's highest appellate body. Having already waited 6 months since his appeal before respected American arbitrator Jeffrey Benz, the left-handed batsman was expecting to hear whether his ban was reduced on Tuesday. But his legal team of Thomas and Paul Mark Cohen were instead advised that the decision was delayed by a further 2 months until December 19 this year. Campbell's legal team had argued for up to a 3-year reduction based on an overall assessment of the sanction provision and the mitigating factors in the case. Campbell has already served the first year of the 4-year ban, which was handed down by the Jamaica Anti-Doping Independent Disciplinary Panel in October 2022 for a charge of evading, refusing or failing to submit to sample collection. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. O'Shane, it's back to you.
Thanks, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm O'Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the News, Sports and Production teams, have a good afternoon.